Ko te whare whakaari o Te Pou, kei te whakarewa I tētahi wāhanga whakaari a tau anō, hei te Pou Theatre, hei taunaki, hei whakātu hoki ngā mahi a ngā kaituhi whakaari rangatahi. Ko hone Taukiri o te Rarawa, Ngāti Tamaterā hoki tērā. Ko tāna whakaari, ko limited time only, he mea titiro atu ki ngā mahi ngā toi, ki te ao pānui whakatairanga anō hoki. Anei Jess Tyson, me ngā whakamārama.
3, 2, 1.
He whakaari puku hohe e pāna ki te whānau, ki te aroha, te puku kata hoki.
Limited Time Only is a show about family. It's about a group of siblings who come together after the loss of their mother and have to look for a hidden treasure that she's left for them.
E hara ko koe te ringa e huti punga.
What's that mean?
Yours is the best arm to pull up this anchor.
But along the way there's advertisements for different products that kind of shine a light on what it's like growing up in Aotearoa.
E hāngai ana ētahi wahanga o te whakaari ki ngā whakatairanga auahi kore. He kaupapa I puta mai I te wā I a Taukiri e tamariki ana.
I never dreamed I'd end up with him, but here I am.
And grew up with whānau that smoked and all types of things like that, so that was part of my life as well as products like the ACC ads, where it was like fruity bars and the lady tripped over and fell through the glass table. So I kind of looked at how commercials manipulate people's deepest fears and desires and to call them into action.
Call the 800 quid now. Do it for the mockles, eh? Do it for the mockles.
I'd like people to come out of the show and reflect on where they came from and the events in their lives that made them who they are.
Tokorua ngā kiri whakaari he Māori, ko tahi te Pākehā, he ōrite kia Taukiri.
So I come from a mixed family as well. My dad's Māori, my mum's Pākehā, and I didn't grow up around a lot of Māori influences. So lots of the characters for me represent different relationships that I have to my family, to my whakapapa. Hopefully Māori who are kind of urbanised, who grew up like me, will feel seen.
Ko tāna tūmanako he hari I te whakaari huri noa I Aotearoa.
I do it because I like the idea that I can inject some joy or some emotion into people's lives and they can walk away with a bit of theatre magic.
Ka tū ko limited time only ki Te Pou Theatre a tērā wiki, atu I rā tū ki rā horoi. Jess Tyson, Te Ao Mārama.